Hi, Ed Diaz here. In today's video, we're going to create a custom program featuring accordion and organ. All right, let's get started. So before we can begin, we need to initialize a program inside the editor. So I'm going to go to the librarian section, and I'm going to select on AX Vintage EP. I'm going to hit organize. I'm going to select it one more time, and I'm going to hit initialize. So now I'm going to select it one more time, and done. So remember, if you want to create a program from scratch, initialize the current program. But there's nothing to say that you can't start with a program that's already been started and build on top of it and then save it as something else. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with an organ first. So I'm going to hit the list button and find me a tone, an organ tone to work with. Here we go. Here's some organs. Let's listen to this rotary organ 1. So I'll select it. Let's give it a listen. Okay, let's give another one a listen. How about VK organ 1? Let's try that. Good, we'll start there. VK organ 1. Now I'm going to go to switch, turn off part 1, and I'm going to turn on part 2. Great. Now I'll press part, make sure I'm select part 2, and now I'm going to find an accordion tone to work with. So let's hit list. Here we go. Here's a couple of accordions. And I'm going to try this AX Musette. Great. Let's go back to the switch. Turn on part 1 so we can hear both part 1 and part 2 simultaneously. Sounds pretty good, but I might want to go ahead and turn up that organ. So let's go ahead and go back to part. Make sure that part 1 is selected. I'm going to go into the organ and turn it up some. So I'll put it at 120. Pretty good sound right away, so that's pretty neat. Let's go ahead and look at part 2. And we selected part 2 and see if there's anything we can do to adjust this one a little bit. Maybe I want to go ahead and put a little effects on this one. So I might go into the effects here and I might go ahead and select some effects. Right now IFX is going to be, it's nothing on right now. So I'm going to turn it on and I'm going to choose an effect. Let's go ahead and put on a flanger. So that's pretty cool. Right away, we put that organ right in there, and now we have the accordion, but we put a flanger effect on that accordion. So very fast. So very, very quick. Now let's go ahead and name it and save it. So I'll hit the initialize program, and I'll go ahead and get rid of this, and let's just call this organ / accordion flange and hit OK. Great, there it is. Now let's go ahead and write it. At this point we can determine where we want to save it, and I'm going to go ahead and put it right here on number 4 and press the write button. And so now that custom program is available for me to use inside my AX-Edge. All right, this is Ed Diaz. I hope this helps you out. You guys take care. We'll talk to you later.